Welcome back everyone to Cooking with Milk Chuggers United. Today we'll be making our homemade eggnog. As you can see, we've got Cody. Welcome Cody.
Nice to be here.
And all the ingredients that we need sourced from...
See, we've got the trusty ChatGPT to tell us what ingredients we need, but
we're going to figure out...
We're just going to improvise here.
We know what we need, mostly, but we don't know... We already know how to make it, so obviously we don't need any other help.
Yeah.
Alright, let's look at this thing actually. So what we're doing is we're, of course, not wasting anything. We're gonna leave the amount of milk we need in here, and this will be our mixing bowl for today.
Straight from the source.
Straight from the source. How much do we need?
I
think that looks about right. We've got
that's about right.
500 mils. We can put some more back in if we need to. Alright, we're going to come over here. Why don't we add some... What do you reckon first, Cody?
I think we need to add the sugar, because the sugar is a vital ingredient.
Okay, we'll add the sugar first. We've got sugar packets.
How much are we thinking, Tom?
Just put as many as you feel like in for now. We'll later. Alright. You keep doing that, and while that's happening, I'm going to open up the double cream, necessary ingredient as well. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so let's scoop some of this in. Maybe we should keep doing this over the sink. Oh. Let's put a bit more in. We're just rationing in case we need a bit more later. Oh yeah, that's good. And it's always important to wash your hands after each step. I know you can do it good. And we've got a school tour outside. He's wanting to learn how to cook as well.
Yeah.
We're always for the younger generation. Learning how to cook. Alright. Next step.
I think we save the key ingredient for last. And
should we mix this up first?
Oh, yeah.
So you mix as you go.
Yeah.
That way it doesn't all settle at the bottom like it is at the moment. Yeah. Excellent, thank you. Should we put some vanilla? I feel like we should do the egg. I don't know.
I feel like
eggnog after.
Okay.
You're now disrupting what we're doing.
Yeah, passion is
Go on to ask them
undeniable.
if they want to learn how to make eggnog. I hate it open this. No, we should do the egg, I reckon.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so we're going to put the egg in now. A vital ingredient is eggnog after all. Yep. Are you good at cracking eggs, Cody?
Let's crack the egg.
Put it in here first, I reckon. Should we put 2 eggs, you reckon?
Yes,
I think 2 eggs is the right amount, based on never having done this before.
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean, alright. We don't have a whisk, but I've got 10 whisks right here, so we're gonna mix it up. You gotta make sure you crack the yolk. Okay, you zoom out, just get it off. You don't want my hand in there.
It's a good egg.
You don't want to focus on this too much.
Should just get the blood reactions.
So you want to mix.
Keep going. Keep going.
Yep, keep going. So we've got 2 eggs. We're going to add it to the mixture. We might need a bit more milk, so we'll add that later. Okay, but as you can see, it's nice and mixed up. I'm going to wash my hands. Again, another important ingredient. Water. You might want to cut this bit. So Cody's going to pour the egg in. This is what turns it from nog into
Eggnog.
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. Now it's very important that you get every single bit of the egg out. Now, I say we mix.
Mix it again.
Yep.
Another shake. Don't film like a place
Whoa.
Ooh.
See, this is really getting the colour into what we want it to be. I'm actually surprised. I'm looking forward to this.
I can taste it already.
I'm actually really looking forward to this. Starting to get the colour that we like to see in eggnog.
Yeah, that's right.
Turning it from
How's the texture and the smell?
I'm actually quite surprised. This is quite good. This might turn out better than I thought.
Did the camera smell?
Yep.
Certainly smells creamy.
Alright. I'm gonna put a bit more sugar in.
Yeah, I think.
And alright. Bang, bang. Now this stuff, you only want a couple drops of that. And I'll crack these open as well, Cody. Okay, that's enough. That's enough sugar. Should I put a few drops of vanilla in there?
I got you.
Just a few drops.
Half a bottle today.
Maybe the ropes. Okay. Oh, dude, do you know how strong that is? Oh my goodness. I mean, that's the perfect amount. So
Yeah.
thank you very much, Cody.
No worries.
Sorry about your phone. All right, next ingredients. We have ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon. These are again two very important. You can smell it from there. Have you guys ever tried? Wait, we should try the cinnamon. Have you ever done that before?
No, I'm good. We'll save that for another day.
We'll save that for another day. Let's pour some of this in. What is this? Cinnamon.
Good enough.
Let's start with my fix it again. You need a hand in this.
Slow mo Tom hair shot.
Maybe I should have kept the lid on.
Yeah. Looks good. Thumbs up from the cameraman.
It's kind of like Milo, you just want to add a whole lot. Alright, next, you want to put some cinnamon in? Oh, wait, no, nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
That's right, it's all getting mixed together, yeah.
Put a bit less nutmeg.
Actually,
That's good. That's good.
yeah, that's good.
That's
Alright,
good.
let's give it a bit more of a shake. Right, we seem to have gone backwards in the texture. We might have to add a bit more milk.
I like the creamy style.
It does, yeah. Actually, I'm looking forward to this. I'm quite excited. Should we add a bit more milk?
I think just the top of the lip.
And then we'll give it a taste and add more ingredients.
That smells wonderful.
Look, I'll be honest, guys. I wasn't really confident in this, but now I'm excited. I'm actually really pumped to try this. Alright, do you want to grab a couple cups? Alright, now we've given it a bit of a shake. You can see what it looks like there. And we're going to give it a bit of a pour and see how we're going so far. This might... ooh. This might be done, but I don't think it is. Nice and lumpy. I think that's the double cream. The double cream coming in.
No, this looks excellent.
You've got
very
yeah,
excited.
you have this one. It's a bit more lumpy. You were keen on this.
Yeah.
Do you want to go first?
I think we do this simultaneously, shall we?
Cheers. So this is not the final taste. We might need a bit more something. We'll see how it goes. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'll actually go.
That's really nice.
I'll be honest, it doesn't taste as bad as it looks. When it's all mixed together.
Cut to Cody.
Sorry, that was the cinnamon.
No, you put like way too much.
It doesn't taste as bad. It actually tastes really nice. I'll be honest, it might need a bit more sugar. It's got a unique texture as well. Did you actually try some?
Yes.
No, you should. It's actually not that bad. So it looks really lumpy. I don't know if you can get a look at Cody's first. Look away if you're queasy. I'm pretty sure it's not that pleasing. One of these.
Yeah, just do it.
I'm not coughing because I'm dying. It's just cinnamon left over.
It's so nice that it's
Yeah.
just
Alright, you can help me just. You're gonna mix it in your mouth.
Oh, look, it's not that bad. Like,
I was overacting a little bit.
oh yeah, the second hit.
Taste.
Yeah, that's certainly. You can taste all of the ingredients we put in there. That's for sure.
I'm actually still quite surprised on how well it's done. Alright, so now I've added
A second.
a handful of sugar and a handful of vanilla. I think we've got plenty of cinnamon and nutmeg, so hopefully this gets rid of all the lumpy cream which is off-putting for the looks. It's perfect for the taste.
It actually tastes nicer like that, I would say.
I don't think we're doing a good job of this.
We need
Make
a
it yourself. You guys can follow this recipe and make some at home
Ah, see, look at that. That's like perfect.
for the whole family.
Maybe use a whisk for the ones at home.
Yeah.
Ooh! Whisking a bit hard there.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. That's alright. It's all all for the handfuls.
A good cooking.
Perfect. Now that actually looks like eggnog. I'll tell you what. Wow, that actually really helped. I'm being dead serious. That actually tastes like eggnog. Try some. No, I'm being dead serious. This is actually like good stuff. Dude, try some. You go and give it. My fingers are clean. And so to get this perfect, I'm gonna call that perfect. I'm gonna say that's done. We used 2 eggs, 600 mils of milk, this much sugar, bit of vanilla, bit of cream, bit of nutmeg, bit of cinnamon, and that is how you make yourself the perfect homemade eggnog. Here we go. Try some. Don't mind the looks.
Don't judge a book by its cover, seriously.
That's good.
That is genuinely.
That is perfectly
Yeah, it
done.
tastes better than oak.
Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us for this homemade milk. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like to see more, let us know.